Hi guys, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you about the spread operator, and I'm going to be demonstrating the spread operator inside the Chrome web console. So the spread operator in JavaScript is used to spread arrays out. But if I do this on its own, it'll give me an error. You can't do it on its own because JavaScript just doesn't understand it. So you have to do it inside of something. I'm just going to do it inside of an array. See, it spreads it out. Spreads it out. And if I do it without the spread operator, it's just an array inside of an array. So that's where the spread operator comes in useful. Anyways, I hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you in another video hopefully.